Drew Blythe Barrymore, born February 22, 1975, is an American actress, producer, talk show host, and businesswoman. A member of the Barrymore family of actors, she has received multiple awards and nominations, including a Golden Globe Award, an Emmy Award, and an Actor Award. She was named one of the 100 most influential people in the world by Time in 2023. Barrymore rose to prominence as a child star in E.T. the Extraterrestrial 1982 and Firestarter 1984. She established herself as a Hollywood leading actress with roles in Poison Ivy 1992, Boys on the Side 1995, and Scream 1996. Barrymore appeared in the franchise Charlie's Angels 2000 and Charlie's Angels Full Throttle 2003 and has starred a number of times with Adam Sandler, including in The Wedding Singer 1998 and 50 First Dates 2004. Other notable film credits include Batman Forever 1995, Donnie Darko 2001, and He's Just Not That Into You 2009. Barrymore won the Golden Globe Award for Best Actress in a Television Film for her portrayal of Edith Bouvier-Beale in HBO's Grey Gardens 2009, played Sheila Hammond on the Netflix series Santa Clarita Diet 2017-2019, and hosts the daytime talk show The Drew Barrymore Show 2020 present. Barrymore is the founder of the production company Flower Films and has starred in several of its projects. She made her directorial debut with Whip It 2009. She launched a range of cosmetics under the Flower banner in 2013. Her other business ventures include a range of wines, homeware, and clothing. She has released for New York Times best-selling books, including the memoir Little Girl Lost 1990 and the photo book Find It in Everything 2014. Barrymore was born on February 22, 1975, in Culver City, California, an inner suburb of Los Angeles. Her father was actor John Drew Barrymore. Her mother, Jade Barrymore, was an actor as well. Her mother was born in a displaced persons camp in Brandenburg, West Germany, to Hungarian World War to refugees. Through her father, Barrymore has 3 older half-siblings, including actor John Blythe Barrymore. Her parents divorced in 1984. Barrymore was born into an acting family. All of her paternal great-grandparents, Morris and Georgie Drew Barrymore, Morris and May Costello, and her paternal grandparents, John Barrymore and Dolores Costello, were actors, with John being arguably the most acclaimed actor of his generation. Barrymore is a niece of Diana Barrymore, a grandniece of Lionel Barrymore, Ethel Barrymore, and Helene Costello, and a great-great-granddaughter of Irish-born John and English-born Louisa Lane Drew, all of whom were also actors. She is a great-grandniece of Broadway idol John Drew Jr. and silent film actor, writer, and director Sidney Drew. Barrymore's godmothers are actress Sophia Loren and Lee Strasberg's widow, Anna Strasberg. Barrymore described her relationship with the latter as one that would become so important to me as a kid because she was so kind and nurturing. Her godfather is filmmaker Steven Spielberg. Barrymore's first name, Drew, was the maiden name of her paternal great-grandmother, Georgie Drew, and her middle name, Blythe, was derived from the birth surname Blythe of her great-grandfather, who later took the stage name of Morris Barrymore. In her 1991 autobiography, Little Girl Lost, Barrymore recounted early memories of her abusive father, who left the family when she was 6 months old. She and her father never had a significant relationship and seldom spoke. Personal life. In a 2003 interview with New Woman magazine, Barrymore said, "Do I like women sexually? Yeah, I do, totally. I have always considered myself bisexual. I love a woman's body. I think a woman and a woman together are beautiful, just as a man and a woman together are beautiful." Being with a woman is like exploring your own body, but through someone else. She added, "I don't think I could ever just solely be with a woman ... It's just not enough for me." Barrymore is the godmother of Frances Bean Cobain, the daughter of Kurt Cobain and Courtney Love. Barrymore eats a plant-based diet and reportedly convinced Cardi B to try veganism. At 16, Barrymore was briefly engaged to 25-year-old Leland Hayward, III, the grandson of producer Leland Hayward, in 1991. At 17, Barrymore began a relationship with 23-year-old Jamie Walters that lasted from 1992 to 1993. He proposed to her with a diamond ring in a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle and planned to marry in spring of 1993. Walters and Barrymore have tattoos of the other's name. Walters has her name in a cross on his upper right shoulder blade, and Barrymore has his name, along with her mother's name, in a banner flown by a cherub on her lower back. In 2023, Barrymore spoke positively of Walters while interviewing Torai Spelling on her talk show. Spelling had played Walters' love interest on Beverly Hills 90,210. In early 1994, at 19, Barrymore began dating 31-year-old Jeremy Thomas, a US-based business owner from Wales. Thomas had been allowing Barrymore to drink at The Room, his Los Angeles bar on Cahuenga Boulevard, even though she was underage and had already been receiving treatment for alcoholism on and off for several years. On March 20th, 1994, after 6 weeks of dating, the two impulsively married at around 5:30 a.m. at the Room, paying a 24-hour minister to perform the ceremony. Barrymore wore a white slip dress and combat boots. Barrymore and Thomas separated 19 days later, and she filed for divorce less than 2 months after that, alleging that Thomas had married her for her wealth and a green card. Their divorce was finalized in 1995. In an interview later that year, Barrymore told Rolling Stone that Thomas was the devil. In the late 1994, Barrymore began dating Hole guitarist Eric Erlandson. Barrymore began dating MTV host and comedian Tom Green in 1999. They were engaged in July 2000 and married a year later. Together, they starred in Charlie's Angels and Green's directorial film debut, Freddie Got Fingered. Green filed for divorce in December 2001. It was finalized on October 15, 2002. In 2002, Barrymore began dating The Strokes drummer Fabrizio Moretti, whom she had recently met at a concert. Their relationship ended in January 2007. She then began dating Justin Long, and although they broke up in July 2008, they were intermittently romantically involved until 2010, when they co-starred in the film Going the Distance. In February 2011, Barrymore began dating Will Kopelman, an art consultant and the son of Ariel Kopelman, who had once been chief operating officer of the French fashion house Chanel. Kopelman proposed to Barrymore in Sun Valley, Idaho in December of that year, while the two were on a Christmas vacation, and media outlets reported on their engagement in January 2012. They married on June 2, 2012, in a garden-themed Jewish ceremony at her home in Montecito, California. Barrymore wore a Chanel wedding gown. Barrymore gave birth to their first child 3 months later, and to their second child in 2014. During her marriage to Kopelman, Barrymore expressed an interest in converting to Judaism, his faith, calling it beautiful, but never finalized the process. Barrymore announced her separation from Kopelman on April 2, 2016. They filed for divorce on July 15th, and it was finalized on August 3rd. In 2020, Barrymore told People she would never get married again. Kopelman married Vogue director Alexandra "Ally" Mitchell in 2021, and Barrymore has spoken positively of her relationship with Mitchell, saying she is a wonderful stepmother. Barrymore moved to Manhattan in 2023 so that her children could be closer to Kopelman. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.